For this hairstyle, I'll be using a wig from Luvme Hair. In the box, I received the wig, some accessories, a comb, and hair care instructions. And for the accessories, it includes a scrunchie, a set of press-on nails, these sparkly hoops, and 2 sets of lashes, which is different than what I've received in the past from this company, which means they definitely upgraded the accessories they include with their wigs. And the wig that I received is the 18-inch Kinky straight U-part wig. This is the cap construction, and now we're going to jump into the install. So I first sectioned out my leave out for the U part. Looking back, I could have parted out more hair going towards the center of my head in the back of the part, but just keep in mind that you need to section out enough hair to cover the tracks. Now I'm doing 1 French braid on each side of my leave out to act as an anchor braid for the clip-ins of the wig to secure into, and this makes sure that the wig doesn't slip and slide and that it's nice and secure. These braids do not need to be neat. I am not the neatest braider, but it just makes sure that the hair stays in place. So then I'm able to tuck the hair behind my ear and style it however I please. I'm parting out more hair around my hairline, and I'm going to braid the rest of my hair up in 2 pigtails and bobby pin it in place. Because kinky straight hair typically has a lot of crimps in it, especially towards the root, I'm going to be taking my flat iron and straightening those crimps out as well as the rest of the hair so that it looks more natural and it blends better with my leave out. By the way, while straightening this hair, I had my heat setting on 450, so that tells you that this hair can take a lot of heat and it won't lose its texture, which I loved because I wanted to make sure that the hair still maintained its natural, more kinky texture. I didn't want it to be too silky, so I think that's good to know. So here's a real-time shot of me straightening this hair. I wanted to show you how slow and steady I was straightening this hair so that it had a more tamed look. And I decided not to do any extra heat styling like curling this hair because I do have another video on my channel curling kinky straight hair. So if you want to see that, check out my iCards. but I wanted to see how this hair would look just straight down, and I think it looked so pretty, very natural. I think that if you styled it in this way, you could definitely fool some people, but I mean, you do have to make sure your foundation is very flat. I think that towards the back of my wig, it was a little bit bumpy just because of how I braided my hair underneath and how it was sitting, but just keep that in mind that with these U-part wigs, you do have to have a very flat foundation so that it looks super natural. Once I finished straightening the wig, I simply combed my leave out over the wig to blend the hair together, and I think my hair blended with this wig pretty well. I think that there were some main differences, but the wig was still definitely wearable. The differences were in the texture and the color. My natural hair appeared darker and more silky than the hair on the wig. And lastly, to finish the style, I just did some edges. Typically, I don't do my edges when my hair is straight, but because my silk press was a couple weeks old in this video, I figured why not? So yeah. As you can see, this wig has thickness, luster, and oh so much movement. I'm in love with this wig. This is my first time trying a U-part wig, and I'm so glad it is. It's so perfect for me, and it gave me the opportunity to revitalize my old silk press and add some length and body. So if you're interested in this wig, check out my description box for more information. Big shout out to Luvme for this bomb unit. And if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and do not forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.